If you need to cancel your Skype subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Sign in to Skype. Go to the Skype website or open the Skype app. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Subscriptions or Manage Subscriptions. Click on it to view your current subscriptions. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the specific Skype subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details and options available for the subscription. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may receive a confirmation email once the cancellation is successful. After completing these steps, your Skype subscription should be cancelled. Make sure to check your email for confirmation and keep an eye on your account to ensure no further charges occur.